So now we're going to work on pips. This is how you do a D pip. Put your finger on a D and then very quickly lift your G finger. Great, I'll do 3, you do 3. Mahu. So this is how you do an E pip. Have your fingers on an E and then very quickly lift your G finger. So I'm going to do 3 now, you do 3 after me. This is how you do an F pip. Get your fingers into F position and then very quickly raise your G finger. Sounds like this. Now I'm going to do 3, you copy after me. Mahu. So now we're going to do a G pip. Put your fingers on a G and very quickly lift your G finger. It sounds like this. Now you try doing that. I'll play, you copy. This is an A pip. Just do an A and then very quickly lift your B finger. Okay? So I'll do 3, you copy after me. Give it a go. Mahu. Now let's do a B pip. Put your finger on a B and then very quickly raise it. Ready? Sounds like this. Give it a go. Mahu. This is how you do a high D pip. Put your fingers on high D and then raise your G finger really quickly. Listen to this. You try doing that. Mahu. This is how you do an E pip. Put your fingers on an E and then very quickly raise your high G. Okay? So it sounds like this. I'll do 3 and then you do 3 after me. Mahu. So this is how you do a high F pip. Put your fingers in the F position and you're very quickly going to raise your G finger. Okay? It sounds like this. Now you try doing that. Okay, now I'm going to do 3 Fs, right? And you can copy after me. Try doing that. Mahu. Here's a high G pip. Start off with your fingers in the G position and you're quickly going to lift your G finger. Sounds like this. Now, how about I do 3 and you do 3 after me? Sounds like this. You try it. Mahu. Here's an A pip. Put your fingers on an A and then very quickly lift your B finger. Okay, so it sounds like this. Now, I'm going to do 3 and I want you to copy after me. Sounds like this. And you. Mahu. So here's a high B pip. Put your fingers on high B and then very quickly lift that finger. Okay, so it sounds like this. Now I'm going to do 3. I want you to copy after me. You give it a go. Integral.